If your laptop sounds like a jet engine and still drops frames, we need to talk. Today's gaming laptops can deliver desktop-level thrills without chaining you to a tower. In this video, to the best gaming laptops, we'll cut through GPU jargon, spotlight real-world performance, and help you find a machine that runs hot games without running hot on your lap. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Acer Nitro V15, our pick for best budget gaming laptop. If you want a budget gaming laptop that doesn't act like it needs a nap after one match, the Acer Nitro V15 is the smart spend that still brings real gamer energy. The Intel Core i5-13420H gives you enough punch to play smoothly, record clips, and even stream. Then jump straight into editing, schoolwork, or 20 browser tabs without your laptop throwing a tantrum. You also get a 15.6-inch Full HD screen with a speedy 165Hz refresh rate, so fast action looks clean and responsive instead of blurry. And was that my enemy or a ghost? The 16:9 layout keeps things familiar, and the slim bezels give you more screen and less chunky border taking up space. For connectivity, Acer didn't cheap out. Wi-Fi 6 keeps your online games stable when you're on the couch. Killer Ethernet gives you that wired advantage when you're serious, and Thunderbolt 4 is your one-port wonder for charging, high-speed transfers, and video output, so your desk setup doesn't turn into a dongle museum. Cooling is handled too. Dual fans and a solid exhaust system help it stay calmer during long sessions, which means performance stays steadier when the game gets intense. Add a backlit keyboard and numeric keypad, and you've got a laptop that's ready for late-night matches, daytime work, and everything in between, without draining your wallet or your patience. Number 4. ASUS ROG Strix G16, our pick for best gaming laptop for esports. If you play esports titles where every millisecond feels personal, the Asus ROG Strix G16 is built to keep you fast, steady, and annoyingly hard to beat. You're running Windows 11 on an Intel Core i7-14650HX paired with an NVIDIA GeForce R TX 5060 laptop GPU, so your frame rates stay high, your gameplay stays smooth, and your laptop doesn't act shocked when you multitask. The display is made for quick reactions. A 165Hz Full HD Plus panel that keeps motion clean when the action gets frantic. Asus also adds an accessibility conformance report film to boost contrast and cut glare so you see the important stuff, like that enemy peeking, without fighting reflections. And because performance dies the moment heat shows up, ROG's cooling is the real secret weapon. You get an end-to-end vapor chamber, tri-fan technology, and Conductonaut Extreme liquid metal on the chipset to keep temperatures under control. That means less throttling, more consistent FPS, and fewer moments where your laptop suddenly feels slower for no reason. Then there's the personality. The full surround 360-degree RGB light bar lets you go full gamer mode in sync with your ROG gear, but when you need to look civilized, stealth mode turns the lights off for a clean, professional vibe. It's a competitive, high FPS machine with a fast display and serious cooling. Exactly what you want when winning is the whole point. Still searching for the perfect gaming laptop? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. MSI Katana 15HX, our pick for best competitive gaming laptop. If you want a competitive gaming laptop that stays quick under pressure and doesn't start making excuses mid-match, the MSI Katana 15HX is ready to grind with you. The Intel Core i9-14900HX brings a 24-core hybrid setup that chews through demanding titles, keeps load times snappy, and lets you multitask without your FPS doing the sad slide. Keep Discord open, record gameplay, run a browser tab, it won't flinch. On graphics duty, the RTX 5070 powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture is your speed and style combo. You get higher frame rates for competitive play, stronger ray tracing when you want the visuals to flex, and faster AI upscaling that helps your games look sharp without punishing performance. And because power is only useful when it lasts, Cooler Boost 5 keeps things steady. Dual fans plus a 5 heat pipe shared pipe design help cool both the CPU and GPU, reducing throttling and helping maintain stable frame rates during long gaming marathons. So you're not winning the first match and sweating the second. With 32GB RAM and a 1TB SSD, you've got room for big installs, fast boots, and quick swaps between games and apps. Add the backlit keyboard and HD audio, and you're set for late-night sessions with clearer cues and fewer distractions. The Katana 15HX is built for high FPS, consistent performance, and serious let's-run-it-back energy. Number 2. Lenovo Legion Pro 7i, our pick for best desktop replacement gaming laptop. If you want a desktop replacement gaming laptop that hits like a full-size tower but doesn't turn your desk into a sauna, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is built for you. It's for the gamer who wants wicked fast performance, bold visuals, and a machine that won't start sounding like a jet engine the second a match gets intense. The star of the show is the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX. With 24 cores and strong power efficiency, it chews through heavy games and serious creative work, so you can stream, edit, render, and multitask without your laptop turning every click into a loading screen hobby. Lenovo AI Engine Plus plays the role of your silent coach. Real-time scenario detection optimizes FPS and system resources based on what you're playing, while Smart FPS helps keep things smooth when chaos hits. Cooling is where it earns the Pro badge. Legion Cold Front Vapor combines turbocharged fans, a huge 250-watt vapor chamber, and vacuum-sealed hyperchamber tech to move heat fast and fight thermal throttling, so your performance doesn't slowly fade halfway through a long session. And because you're not buying this for 20-minute gaming breaks, it aims for whisper-quiet cooling, meaning you hear footsteps and callouts, not fans auditioning for a wind tunnel. It's desktop-level power in a laptop body, ready to travel when you want, but always ready to perform. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Razer Blade 18, our pick for best gaming laptop overall. If you want a gaming laptop that basically moonlights as a desktop, the Razer Blade 18 is the no excuses machine you bring when you're done compromising. That massive 18-inch screen gives you the space to actually see what you're doing, and under the hood, you've got serious muscle, a 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13950HX, 32GB RAM, a 1TB SSD, and an RTX 4080. The i9-13950HX is desktop-grade power squeezed into a laptop body, which means your heavy workloads don't turn into loading screen therapy sessions. Pair that with the RTX 4080 and you're set for high settings, smooth performance, and graphics that look unapologetically premium. Of course, power means heat, unless your laptop has a plan. The Blade 18 uses Razer's largest vapor chamber plus a specially tuned 3-fan system to keep temperatures down and performance up, so your frame rates don't drop the moment things get intense. And it's not just a gaming beast, it's built for everyday mobile setup life too. With an array of ports and strong connectivity, you can plug in your gear and get a full home station feel anywhere. Add cinematic audio and solid video call readiness, and you've got a laptop that can work hard, play harder, and still look good doing it. The Blade 18 is big, fast, and built to replace your desktop without tying you to a desk. Woo, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best gaming laptops. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which gaming laptop you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.